6.2, number 23. Which investment will earn more money? A 1,000 investment for 5 years at 8% compounding annually, or a 1,000 investment for 5 years compounding continuously? So what this is really asking is to compare the growth factors for two investments. So there's two possible approaches. You can calculate or find the future value for both. That's one way to approach this, but that actually is doing more work than is necessary here, and it's actually better to just directly look at the growth factors. So that is use the APY calculation. Okay, and so we've got two vehicles here. Actually, the principle for this doesn't really matter because it's the same. But I'm going to include it anyway. So time frame for both is 5 years. And the interest rate here is 8% annual compounding. And the interest rate here is 7% continuous compounding. So what we need to use is the APY calculation. So for this one, it is 1 plus your interest rate for the first minus 1, and that's for the annual one because you have 1 year, and this is the interest rate. If you had monthly compounding, you would have 12, and then the period interest rate. And for the continuous one, the APY will be Euler's number to your interest rate minus 1. So for this particular example, it's going to be, again, our interest rate here. We have to write this as a decimal for both of these. So the continuous compounding one with Euler's number is 0.07 minus 1. So we'll compute that in a second. And the one for the one that just compounds at the end of the year is 1 plus 0.08 to the first minus 1. So this is 1.08 to the first minus 1. So 1.08 minus 1 and 0.08. So 8% on this one. For the Euler's one, again, you need the calculator. Enter your interest rate as a decimal. So 1.0725. It's got several more decimals. You want to include those in the calculation and round at the very end. So subtract 1, 0.0725. So this is 7.25%. Okay. The question is, which is better? So this one's larger. So this investment vehicle is better.